Hey, what's up guys, hope all of you doing well. So today's video we'll talk about some multiple new updates available for the Galaxy S24 Ultra that you guys might be missing out. Also we'll talk about the One UI 8.5 status. So starting off with the updates, so for that simply go into the Galaxy Store app of your phone, then tap on updates. From here you will get to see that there are multiple new app updates available, including the Galaxy Buds app update. Multiple other apps update is also available, like the Samsung members, and the Samsung Knox update is also available in this. Lockstar, Theme Park and Good Lock also have some bug fixes available, and if you are a One UI 8.5 user, so there's a new update available with the Lockstar as well. To update them all, simply tap on update all and all of these apps will be updated. Another update that you guys might be missing out with the Galaxy S24 Ultra is the security patch update. So for that, simply go into the settings of your device, then tap on software update, then tap on download and install. From here you will get to see that there's a new update available of February 5th 2026 security patch. So you can update and install it from here. If you talk about the One UI 8.5 status, so we have a new One UI Beta 7 available for the Galaxy S25 series, while the official update is released with the Galaxy S26 series. All the Galaxy S26 users will get the One UI 8.5 update built in with it. If you talk about the beta updates, so the first beta update was released in December 8, and now in the March 12 we have the beta 7 update available, and it is also expected that we might get to see a beta 8 update before the official rollout of the One UI 8.5 update. So my guess is that we might get to see the official update for the Galaxy S25 series in the month of April, and by the end of April we might get to see this update on the Galaxy S24 series. Let me know your thoughts on this One UI 8.5 update in the comment section below, and if you're new on the channel, so make sure to like and subscribe. This was a quick video to inform you about these new updates available for the Galaxy S24 Ultra and the One UI 8.5 update status.